I'm really out of shape, so I thought I'd film a little thing. The flora and fauna. You can hear the fauna singing in the trees. Those are cicada, called cigale in French. And right next to me you got a cork tree, a young one. Cork is called liège in French, and it's not the same word as the cork you actually put in a bottle. The cork you put in a bottle in French is a bouchon. So the bouchons are made of liège, cork. And you may know that a cork tree is actually a type of oak. They call it a chêne for oak in French, so they'll also call them chêne liège. And you have a real oak tree. Oh, there's a baby one at my feet. I've been kind of nibbled on. And there's a big one right next to me. Oh, big, it's young too. And another cork tree behind it. You can see the bark is different. See, that's oak bark. And then you have cork bark right here. I love the texture of it. And some other baby oak and its feet. And we have what we affectionately call stickers in Oregon. Same thing. And by my bike, over here in the shade, there's some myrtle. This is a small bush for here. They grow really huge. You can see it can grow like up to where my hand is, a lot higher. So there's some myrtle. You can see it has these little flowers. Oh, those flowers have fallen off, but usually it has seeds. And another oak tree with a lot of ants on it.